So we'll be attempting to remove this damaged shingle. As you can see, we're gonna unseal the damaged shingle, the two shingles above it, to get access to the nails. Outline the repair area and a control area. Doing a nice job gently working those shingles up. And you may need to get the edge of that one that's starting. Yeah, just because there's probably a nail or two that's holding the top of that other one. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Now, pry bar. Remove the nails holding down our damaged shingle.
Kind of pull through here.
So we got a little pull through. Basically, all those are pull through.
Yeah. I was trying to pull through there. I mean, it's very. This one's coming up. I got there, but it's so pulled through. Pull through. It's tough to get these nails. Almost.
Yeah, it should only have a couple left.
Try not to.
Here. Yeah. Should be free, right? Yeah. All right, let me see it. Put it over here. Getting the shingle. Yeah, we're gonna put.
We're pulling through with the left already.
As the shingle is discontinued, it's not gonna fit in there, so have a little overlap.
One nail pulled through, missed that. Alright, should be good now. Piece of plastic.
A little shimmy, yeah. So as you can see, the exposures are lined up pretty good.
Close. About a little bit overlap.
Some overlap here. Now to properly do this install, we have to make sure that those nails are in the tar strip. Take that nail off of there and put your hammer head flush on the tar strip and let me show, yeah, up a little higher. You want it in the middle of that strip. We don't want to low nail it.
Yeah.
So right there.
Right there.
Yeah, and then go towards the middle of that shingle and show what it's going to look like.
Let's remember we have to
put it up a little. Yeah.
We have to.
I'd almost even say it's got to go further back than that. So he's being a little delicate.
Yeah, I don't want to lift too far.
Yeah.
We just have to make sure our nail is flush in the correct spot.
Excuse me, jeez.
Be as careful as we can. Get a few nails out so we're not digging quite like that every time. That is not.
So be mindful, this one is gonna have a little more flexion because it's got 2 rows of nails taken out. That other one is gonna have the top row of nails still in it, so they're gonna be less flexible. Nice. All right.
Try not to That nails went through, so we're gonna. It's hard to.
I think one more should get her.
Yeah.
Yeah, the edge of that one. All right. If you'd like, you want to clear that off and let me step over there and I'll kind of.
Yeah. I mean, it did kind of.
It unsealed pretty easy.
But we do have some creasing on some of those tabs.
Yeah, let me see. You got chalk? Here we go. That was a damaged shingle prior. Oh yeah. See if we have any material transfer. Look, right there. We got some. This is the new shingle. So, control area, pretty clean. In our repair area, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 creases. A couple of areas with material transfer. Most all of the nails were pulled through. Another crease. Jeez.